Today, we're going to build a Roton from Masters of the Universe using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this flower with bar and small pinhole. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it upside down so that bar is facing up, and then grab this minifigure headgear piece with ears. I'm going to put that minifigure headgear piece with ears on top of the bar so it rests onto the flower. And then I'm going to grab a 1x1 round plate with open hole and put it so that the stud is facing down and goes into the bar of the flower and holds the headgear piece in place. And here is a micro Roton with those red blades, and the ears on that headgear piece is like the face, and then the opening of the stud is where our minifigure, or our micro mini ant figure could fit.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.